my God.
You need the aggressor, Josh. Kick like that. Hands two, hands two. They've been with me the longest. Him and Nixon have been with me the longest. 7 or 8.
Yeah, 7. Yeah, they're 8. They just turned 8.
Hey, let's go. Push in, Daniel. Push in. Work that jab. Anytime he throws that kick, I want you to come back after it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. More activity on your part. Let's go. Let's go. He's my only kid that's never cried. Really? Yeah. Yeah, I put him against everybody. He's never cried.
You cried.
Really, Sarah won.
Hands two. Hands two. Good. Follow up kick. Follow up kick. Okay. Sure? Yes. Follow up with a kick.
Oh my God.
30 seconds. Good. There.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, Daniel. Push, 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 push. Double jabs coming in, double jabs coming in. Let's go. Push it back, push it back, push it back.
Follow up, Josh, not just